Grateful to the Honorable Governor of Odisha, His Excellency Professor Ganesh Lalji, for honoring innovations by affirming to launch the Greenopy initiative and plantable national flag campaign on the occasion of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Ladies and gentlemen, understanding the need of eco-friendly products and organic products in India is there since ages. But these days, it is covered by a thick layer of single-use plastics, which is now leading to plastic consumptions. These days, according to research recently announced by lots of media houses, plastic granules have been traced out of human blood cells. You will be astonished to know that the maximum consumption of single-use plastics is being seen within kids aging between 0 to 17. Greennovations is one such company that aims to bring a lifestyle that is oriented towards a complete plastic-free lifestyle. The term eco-friendly product means that that is not harmful to the environment, neither that is harmful to the humans. The products should be usable, recyclable, 3R standards. On this today's auspicious occasion, I feel honored to have been given an opportunity to speak a few words on the launch of our initiative. To start with Greenopy, that is standing tall to my right side, that is called Greenopy. Greenopy is not a stall. Basically, it's a medium where we are going to empower spatially abled people and transgenders. When we are saying empower, we are not. Why are we saying empower? Because we are Team Innovations truly believe employment without empowerment doesn't have any long run values. So, in order to empower them, we are coming with some unique propositions in this Greenopy concept. In this particular Greenopy concept, the stall, the cost of the stall, the cost of the marketing will be completely taken care by Team Innovations. But the people from transgenders community and the spatially abled people have to buy the products where they will be given a 30% credit cycle availability. Not only this, all of you will be very glad to know that by 10th of April, Greennovations is going to sign its first MOU with Odisha Blind School Association, where every weekend we are planning to have workshops for these people to make them understand about the quality of product, how to build these products and all. We are going to receive applications for coming 1 month. After that, we will be looking forward to place these stalls at various locations under various CSR initiatives. Now, let me come down to the second initiative, that is 75 lakh plantable tricolor flags. We aim to seek support from each one of you at this historic moment. In this campaign, our major aim is towards 75 lakh plantations from our wide range of products available. We do not only deal with plantable flags, we deal with plantable notebooks, we deal with plantable calendars, we deal with plantable many products, thank you cards, etc. What does the plantable means? These papers that we provide, these are recycled papers. These recycled papers have seeds in it. The moment after the use, if you leave it in the soil, it turns into a beautiful plant. Plantable cranes and many more. Due to COVID-19, in last 2 years, every single family has lost someone or other. But when it comes to our nation's 75th Independence Day, it's our responsibility to add colors to this occasion. I request all dignitaries present here to support our mission and collaborate for enlarging the scope of this initiative. Each one present here can influence thousands of others
to bring small changes in our daily lifestyle. We just need a change of mindset because our product may not be as elegant or as glamorous as single-use plastic products, but will definitely leave our Mother Earth habitable for future generations. Remembering the last words of my late father, Sri Vibhuti Sadangi, Baba, small changes create huge differences in long term. On the occasion of Utkal Divas, let us pledge to protect and nurture our Mother Earth. With this, I conclude my words and express my gratitude to all. Vande Utkal Janani, Jai Hind. Thank you.